Can a simple quiz really help you attract more clients? Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. Albert's website proves it. With just a few smart questions, he turned his site into a client-generating machine, and I'll show you exactly how he did it. So, what kinds of questions did Albert ask that made such a difference, and how did those questions not only guide visitors but also help him close more sales automatically? Stick around, because I'll show you the exact quiz structure he used and how you can model it for your own business. When Albert rebuilt his company website, he thought it just needed a fresh design. But what really changed everything was when he added an interactive quiz. Instead of his website just talking at visitors, the quiz let people share what they needed help with. In return, the site guided them straight to the right program, video, or resource. That shift turned his website from being just informational into something more powerful, a personal guide for every visitor. Here's why Albert stands by it. A quiz is one of the best ways to listen to prospects. Instead of guessing what they want, they tell you directly, and then you can show them exactly how your business helps. And with the right software, quizzes don't just engage people, they also segment leads, deliver personalized offers, and boost conversions automatically. One of the first things Albert did was ask visitors about their marketing priorities. For example, his quiz asks, "Do you want to improve your sphere of influence, staying connected with past clients, friends, and family? Or is it referrals, getting structured recommendations from happy clients? Maybe it's networking, building new business relationships. Or social media, posting content that gets engagement and drives traffic. And of course, paid ads, running campaigns that bring in new leads." By letting people choose, Albert instantly knew what mattered most to each visitor and could guide them to resources tailored for that. The second part of his quiz focused on follow-up, because leads only matter if you nurture them. He included options like monthly newsletters to stay top of mind, weekly offer emails and SMS texts for consistent engagement, or a 45-day automated nurture campaign that walks new leads step by step until they're ready to buy. Albert said this was a game changer because he could see where people were struggling most and show them how Go High Level made follow-up easy. And finally, he added a few quick sales-focused questions, like, what's your average gross revenue per client? What's your biggest business challenge right now? Albert used these answers to personalize his follow-up emails even more. Visitors felt understood, and they trusted his brand faster. By the end of the quiz, Albert's visitors had a clear roadmap of where to focus, whether it was marketing, follow-up, or sales. And Albert? He had a pipeline full of warm leads already telling him what they needed help with, all on autopilot. The best part? It all ran automatically. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. If you want your website to work like Albert's, start with a quiz. It's simple, powerful, and one of the best ways to attract ideal clients. We even created a free quiz for you to try. Discover the best way to grow your business faster. Visit humanbrainbox.com at the top of the website. Click the button, take the free quiz, and see firsthand how a simple set of questions can transform your website into a client-generating machine. Or visit humanbrainbox.com/quiz. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.